Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python series for beginners. Today we are going to talk about something really cool. Operators in Python, but not with boring math stuff. Let's understand this with a fun real life example, booking movie ticket online. Let's go. So what are operators? Operators are like the action or decisions your program takes, adding, comparing or checking conditions. Python has different types of operators, arithmetic, comparison, logical, and we will cover all of these using relatable situations. Imagine you are on a movie ticket app like Book My Show. You are trying to book a ticket for an A-rated action film. Here is your information. As you can see on the screen, I have write user detail, age, has parent permission, ticket price, and is a student. This is the user detail. Okay, so you are 16 years old, you have your parent permission, you are a student, and a ticket cost around 300 rupees. Let's now see how Python help us to make decisions here. So first is comparison operator. As you can see here, if age is greater than equal to, if age is greater than equal to 18, then you can watch the movie as you are undergo age restriction, as you can see. So this check if your age meets the movie age restriction. Now second operator, we are using logical operator, which is AND operator. So if age is less than 18 and has parent permission, permission granted with parent content, else booking denied. So both condition must be true. Logical AND to the rescue. Now arithmetic operator. As you can see, if is a student, then discount will be 15. Final price 50. Discount will be 50. Final price, ticket price minus discount. Arithmetic subtracting discount. Now print student detail applied final price. Okay, and print final price. This is where arithmetic help apply discount. Now fourth condition is logical NOT operator. If not is a student, then no discount, student discount will be given. So logical NOT reverse the condition. So see, these are not just a random symbols. They help build the logic behind real world apps, from movie ticket to food delivery. So whenever you see plus, double equal to, or, and in Python, know that it's helping your code think like a smart app. And we are going to learn every operator in Python. So first one is arithmetic operator, used for basic math operations. Like these are the operators inside arithmetic operator we are using, and here we have a example too, which calculate the result. For example, it's a plus b will return 13, and a remainder b, a percent b, will return 1. Now second one is comparison operator, used to compare two values. Are they equal, greater, less than, and so on. These are the operators inside this comparison operator. Double equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. As you can see, I also write a example 2, marks 85, then print marks is greater than equal to 33. So true, it will return true value. Logical operator, ठीक है, used to check, used to combine multiple conditions, and or and not are the operators inside logical operator. And this is the example where age is equal to 20 and has license true. If age is greater than equal to 18 and has license, then print you can drive. It will definitely give me the you can drive output. So that's a quick and clear intro to Python operator. In the next video we will talk about conditional statement, where your program start making decisions. So till then, please keep coding and practicing more. Thanks for watching. Thank